Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I'm Kakao Konemi. So, this reading is for Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. So, Ten of Swords, maybe you were thinking of disconnecting from someone who disappointed you. This could also be a place or a situation na parang babay na, tapos na ako dyan. Let's see, the disappointment has got something to do with somebody lying to your face, somebody stealing from you, or somebody trying to swindle you. Maybe with your money or property or anything that's supposed to be yours. Maybe they try to hide it and they try to make it look like you're not entitled to something when it's in fact yours in the first place. Now, what do you need to do about this? Full card reversed is a reminder na you have been very trusting. Masyado mong minadali na kaibiganin ng mga tao, masyado mong minadaling paniwalaan ng mga bagay-bagay. So, try your best na mas maging discerning sa mga nangyayari, at saka always na wag kang mahiyang mangilatis. Kasi parang parang masyado kang sociable na parang baka sabihin nila ganito, ganyan. So masyado kang conscious kung anong magiging opinion nila sa iyo. Pero what you don't know is marami sa mga kinikip mong company o mga kinikip mong friends or acquaintances are actually laughing behind your back kasi ang dali mong mauto. So, although, parang tawag nito, usually ang air sign, being a Libra rising myself, parang may kutob ka na, alam mo na kung ano yung ginagawa sa'yo, pero you act as if, you don't know anything about it. So, parang, you have been doing that for so long. Maybe because you were thinking, kakarmahin lang rin yung mga yan. Parang sige na lang, baka kailangan kasi nila. Yung ganon. This reading is reminding you na tama na yung ganong treatment. You've been doing that for years. It's time na magpakita ka na ng pangil para hindi na rin tong mamihasa tong mga taong to. Especially if yan may nabuking ka na maybe ninanakawan ka or nagsisinungaling sa'yo or pwedeng sinisiraan ka sa iba, pinaplastic ka. So, time to be unapologetically honest sa kanila na parang ikaw hindi kita feel, ikaw akala mo nakalimutan ko na yung ginawa mo sa akin, ganito yung sinabi mo before, yung mga ganong klaseng approach. Don't be scared na mawala ng friends. Mas magandang mawala ng fake friends kesa sa i-retain ang maraming kaplastikan. Okay? And if you're going to do that, possible outcome, 8 of Pentacles reversed, mawawala yung yung mga connection mo. Yes. Pero at least hindi na masasayang yung effort mo. Kasi sayang na effort ang 8 of Pentacles reversed. Parang at least if mawawala yung mga plastic, at least hindi ka na magpapagod na mag-show ng effort, magbigay ng affection, ng attention sa mga maling tao. So, huwag kang manghinayang kung sila nga, hindi nga sila nanghihinayang na lokohin ka. So, bakit mo gagawin yun? Okay? Anyway, that's all I'm seeing here. For paid personal readings, just send a private message, okay? That'll be all. Bye!